When it comes to the ZJ, I've shown you how to replace the power steering gear, the power steering pump, install a new pulley, and remove the old pulley. I'll place a link to each video in the description because today I'm replacing the leaky power steering pump in the 97 Jeep ZJ. But this video is only going to cover the power steering line replacement. So let's get started.
Jungle.
Removing the high pressure line from the top of the pump can be difficult due to limited space. So if you don't have a flare nut wrench set, I recommend this one by Sonix Tools, part number 9710M, and I'll be using a 16mm with an extension for removal. The low pressure line at the side of the pump has a clamp that I'm moving with a pair of pliers, and sometimes trying to remove this hose from the plastic nipple can cause it to break, and then you'll need a new reservoir. So to be on the safe side, I'm just going to cut this hose off. And then you have the opposite end of both lines attached to the steering gear, and you'll need an 18mm crow's foot wrench for removal. I ordered both replacement lines from rockauto.com for a total of $36 shipped. The pressure line is AC Delco part number 36-366440, and the return line is AC Delco part number 36-363680. They also come with new O-rings, so don't forget to put those on before installation. And remember, the pressure line was up front and the return line goes in the back. Now we need to fill and purge the system of air. So I have the front end jacked up and I'm filling the reservoir. Once full, leave the cap off and turn the key to the accessory position with the engine off. Turning the steering wheel lock to lock at least 10 times, which allows the fluid to flow through the system and lubricate. Then you want to start it up, turn the wheel another 10 times before setting it on the ground and checking for leaks.